Hey there everyone. Today I am going to try and hold back a sneeze. I'm not going to do it too much because I've heard that actually if you hold back a sneeze it's not good for you. But I just thought I'd try a little bit. So I'm going to be tickling my nose and try and hold back, okay? Okay, so I'm tickling it and I'm not going to sneeze. Don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Okay. Season up. Whew. Just a little tip. I've noticed that if you yawn, that seems to help fight off a sneeze. So that's a little tip I found that can stop a sneeze from coming. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Oh, don't sneeze. Don't sneeze. Okay. Little tickle is lingering, but I'm not gonna sneeze. Now I might end up actually sneezing, because again, I've heard that if you hold back a sneeze, it's not good for you, but I'm not gonna do it that much, but let me try a couple more times. Okay. I think I'm gonna tickle a little harder, give me a little bit more of a challenge. Whew, I came close on that one. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not the best at holding them back. I think I need to do a little bit more of that, with holding back to be able to, be better at holding back, because I've seen videos of people who can just hold it and hold it. It's like, wow. But, yeah, I did come close on that last one. Okay, let's try again. Oh man, that tickles. Don't. Okay, I came a little close on that one too. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Oh man, that tickles. Don't sneeze. Don't. Whew. Still lingering a little, but no, I'm not gonna sneeze. Phew. I'm feeling pretty good, but I don't think I'm tickling hard enough, but I feel like if I tickle any harder, I might actually sneeze. But I think I'm gonna give myself a challenge and actually tickle my nose a little harder. Okay? Don't sneeze. Don't. Whew. I thought I was gonna sneeze there for a second. I think I really like doing these holdbacks. Okay, let's try a few more times. Okay, I'm gonna tickle. Actually, I am tickling. Oh, man. Okay. That didn't count as a sneeze, did it? I don't think so, because I stopped it. So yeah, I don't think that counted, but that's the closest I've come so far to sneezing. Yeah, I came really close that time. Oh, okay, it tickles. Don't. Hold. Whew. Man, I've got a couple close calls. Whew. Okay. Phew. Don't. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure if that counted as a sneeze. I think that one actually did, but I don't know, because I did kind of stop it, but phew. Man, I don't think I can tickle my nose that much without sneezing, so I definitely need to get a little better at holding back. But I do want to try at least one more time. Might do it a couple more, but... Oh yeah, I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. I'm not. Actually, yes, I am. It seems like when I think it's like when I open my mouth more, I think that seems to kind of help me, sneeze instead of hold back, which is what I'm trying to do, so I might have to try and keep my mouth closed. I think that might help. Okay, I'm tickling again. I was wondering if I was all sneezed out or tickled out, since I haven't really sneezed. Seems like after making myself sneeze for a certain amount of time, it gets harder to bring on a sneeze, which is kind of a good thing for these holdbacks, because it gives me, well, it kind of helps, but hey, there's really nothing to hold back. But let me try another nostril. Been doing my right one. Oh yeah, the left one. Oh man, that tickles. Okay, that's it. I'm done. My voice is starting to sound a little weird, and yeah, I don't want to do any more. My voice, does it sound weird to you guys? I think it sounds a little clogged up now, and I don't want to keep sounding like this, so I better stop. And I did plan on sneezing in this video anyway towards the end, so I'll take that as my sneeze at the end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I think I did pretty good with the holdbacks. I think I need to work on it a little bit more, but I think I did pretty good.